Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover emojis from your videos on CapCut. So here, you need to just add your videos, a video with emoji like this into CapCut. And after that, you can duplicate this video and click on the first video and let's make it as overlay. So on the overlay video, go to mask. Okay, since the emoji is a circle in a circle shape, I'm going to just use the circle one here, and let's isolate the video that have the same background with the one that I want to cover. So for example, I'm going to just go with this. Now let's isolate this, click on the check icon, then move the overlay that has been masked into the part that you want to cover like this. So it slightly has a different color. You can just use the feather if you want, or you can also change the part that you mask. Now click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.